coming up this weekend on Osiyo, Voices of the Cherokee People. Mary Kathryn Nagle, an attorney and playwright, how Cherokee history inspires both of her careers.
So I think no matter what you do, whether it's write plays or fight cases in the court, I think that we all feel, even if it's just subconscious, a little bit of that pressure of, I'm here today, I've got to do something with that.
And the accomplished artist Daniel HorseChief, the life events that led him to create some of the most well-known sculptures in the Cherokee Nation.
I think each piece, I think in terms of legacy. And the only thing really I want my work to be is sincere. I want it, and I think if it's sincere, all that'll come out.
All right, paddlers, sit ready.
Plus, paddling Oregon's Willamette River with Cherokee Nation citizen JoEllen Marshall and
this bull's going to be around to the right, and he will try to jerk you down.
getting back in the arena with professional bull rider Ryan Dirteater. I'm Jennifer Lauren. Join me and discover the untold stories of the Cherokee people. Check Osiyo.tv for showtimes in your area.